So today I want to talk about how to respond to interactions with RealityKit, to use update, to use gesture, and toggle. The way I'll demonstrate that is by creating a sphere which will respond to the interaction of clicking it to change its scale. So we're going to be doing a transform. So the first thing is you want to create the sphere. So we've generated our model here. Model equals model entity, mesh, generate sphere, radius 0.1. Materials, simple material, color, white, metallic, true. So let's take our model, which we've defined to be named model, dot components, dot set input target component. And this is so that we can enable interactions on our entity. Next we type model dot components dot set, and we're going to be looking for collision component shapes. And shapes is we take a shape resource, which will be this shape resource right here, generate sphere of a radius 0.1. Then we add that to our content. Okay, so there we have our sphere model, and it will allow interactions. In order to do our state management of update, we must add update here. Content in if let model equals content dot entities dot first, in the closure model dot transform dot scale equals scale in the ternary operator 1.2 1.2 1.2 or 1.0 1.0 1.0. And what this will do is transform the sphere from size 1.2 1.2 to 1.0 1.0 1.0 when clicked on. And now we need to add a gesture to enable the clicking. Tap gesture, targeted to any entity, and when that gesture is ended, we add the action. Underscore in scale dot toggle. Okay, I was getting a bug because I didn't put dot gesture, so that will make this work. So let's try to launch the app. Okay, so here we have a sphere. Let's click it. And you can see the scale changes once we click it on a tap gesture. And that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you.